आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, question is if the equations x cube minus mx square minus 4 equals to 0 and x cube plus mx plus 2 equals to 0 where m belongs to R have one common root, then find the values of m. So let's solve this problem. See what I am going to do. See first of all this m minus mx square and here it is mx. Okay. If I will multiply this equation with x, then this will become mx square. And when I will add both, minus mx square plus mx square will get cancelled out. It means that in addition of both equations, there will be no m present. So what I am going to do, I am going to add both the equations. X cube minus mx square minus 4 plus I am going to multiply this with x and I will add with this equation. This will become x cube plus mx plus 2 is equals to 0. First of all, let us understand why I did this and what will be the benefit. Okay, see, this was our equation first and this was our equation second. And both have one common root. Suppose that common root is alpha. So this equation we also have root alpha. How? See, at alpha, this even will become 0. Why? Because this equation, first equation have root alpha. This will become 0. So this will become 0. This is plus. Okay. This is x. So I will write x. And this second equation has also roots alpha. So at this alpha, this will also become 0. So E2 will also become 0 into 0. And 0 plus x into 0, which is equals to 0 plus 0. And this is equals to 0. It means that alpha satisfies this equation, which also means that alpha is root of this equation. Okay, so let's move on. So I'm going to erase this, okay, for a space and I will do the required work. Okay, now see, this will become x cube minus m x square minus 4 plus x into x cube, this will become x to the power 4 plus x into mx, this will become mx square plus 2x is equals to 0. And mx square minus mx square will get cancelled out. And this will become x to the power 4 plus x cube, x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. See, if we will be able to find all the 4 roots of this degree 4 equation, then any one root will be common root of both. Okay, no problem. So let's find roots of this. See, degree 4 has no any method except hit and try. So I'm going to put some values and randomly check. First of all, I'm going to put x is equals to 0. X equals to 0 will not satisfy. 0 to the power 4 will be 0, 0 to cube will be 0, 2 into 0 will be 0, this will become 0 and minus 4, 0 minus 4 will be minus 4 equals to 0, not possible. Now I'm going to put 1 to the power 4 1 at x is equals to 1, what will get 1 to the power 4 1 plus 1 cube will be 1 plus 2 into 1 will be 2 minus 4 and this will become equals to 0. It means that x is equals to 1 is root of this equation, one root. Now I am further going to check this. Now I am going to put x is equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1, this will become 1, this will become minus 1, both will get cancelled out. This will become minus 1 at x equals to minus 1, this will become minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 will become minus 6 and minus 6 is equals to 0, not possible. So this is not possible. Now x is equals to, I am going to put 2. So at 2, this will become 16, this will become 8 and this will become 4. this will become greater than this number 4. So this will addition of this number and minus 4 will not become 0. So x equals to 2 will also not satisfy. Now I'm going to put x is equals to minus 2. At x equals to minus 2, this will become 16. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. And this is minus 4. 8 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. There is minus sign. So 16 minus 16 is equals to 0. So we have found two roots. Okay, students? So these are the two roots of this degree 4th equation. Now I am going to multiply both. This will become x minus 1 and this will become x plus 2. And upon multiplying both, we'll get x square plus x minus 2. Okay. Now I'm going to divide this degree 4th equation by this quadratic. Okay. So we'll get quadratic in quotient. And other two roots will be roots of that quadratic. See. X square plus x minus 2. X to the power 4 plus x cube plus 2x minus 4. I am going to multiply with x square. This will become x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square. And when I will subtract both, this will get cancelled out. And 2x minus 4 minus 2x square. So when I will subtract, minus 2x square will become plus 2x square plus 2x minus 4. Now here you can see this is x square and this is 2x square. So I'm going to multiply this with 2 plus 2. So this will become 2x square plus 2x minus 4. And this will get cancelled out. Okay. So here you can see this whole term. This whole term is equals to this into this plus remainder. Okay. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So this will become x square plus x minus 2. Okay, students, into x square plus 2 is equals to 0. And this equation is the same this equation. And this equation has only two roots and roots obtained from this. And this quadratic will have no roots. Okay, here you can see x square is non-negative term plus 2. This is positive term. Non-negative term plus positive term will always become positive. And positive equals to 0, not possible. Okay. So the only common root is, the only root which can be common is x is equals to 1 or x is equals to minus 2. Any one root of both roots can be common in both. So if x is equals to 1 is common in both, if x is equals to 1 is common in both, then x equals to 1 will satisfy this equation. So this will become 1 cube, which is 1, okay, minus mx square, which is 1, x square is 1, minus 4 is equals to 0. And from here we'll get m is equals to minus 3. So if common root of both equation is 1, then value of m is minus 3. And if common root of both equation is minus 2, okay, then let's see what is this. This will become minus 2 cube is minus 8 minus m, okay, sorry, x is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2. Okay, mx square, and this is minus 2 square is 4, m into 4, and this is minus 4 is equals to 0. So 4m will go to RHS. This will become 4m is equals to minus 12. And from here we'll get m is equals to minus 3. So when value of x is minus 2, value of m is minus 3. And when value of x is 1, then value of m is minus 3. Let me check calculation once again.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।